Hi, my name is Victor and welcome to the channel. I have already washed this M3. I'm not going to dry the car since we are about to spray some GYEON Iron on it. I'm just going to blow it with the blower and try to get as much water off as possible. I would like to say you should only spray this on your paint or windows. You should not spray it on any kind of plastics or any kind of exposed plastics like the lip on the bottom. After you spray this, make sure that you spray in a well-vented area because this thing smells awful. If you have a mask, I recommend that you put it on. You should spray this and let it sit for about 2 to 4 minutes. If the sun is out and it's starting to dry, rinse it off before the 2 minutes because this is not good to let it dry on your paint. Now that GYEON Iron has been sitting on the car for about 2 to 4 minutes, you might not be able to see it on the paint, but GYEON Iron reacts with iron and any other kind of minerals in the paint and it will turn a deep purple color. But if you come over here and take a look, you can see on the floor where it's dripping that the car had a lot of iron and minerals in the paint. This is an important step to try to fully decontaminate your car. Now I'm going to rinse this off, blow dry it again, and then I'm gonna hand dry it. Now that I have blow dried the car and it's almost dry, I'm gonna dry the rest of the water with a microfiber drying towel. Normally I would use a drying aid, but since we're going to clay and polish, I'm just gonna pass the microfiber towel like this.